Hey, the good folks over at Sousa Ramon sent us over this pet playpen. We're going to do a little box open, get it spread out, and get it assembled and see what it looks like. So stick around. Oh, I thought it looked like plastic, but it's metal.
It's metal.
Now the cool thing about this is you can customize it. You can go up against the fence and have 3 sides, or 2 sides and 1 front, or you can make it a square, or you could come way out from that fence and into this fence, however you want to do it.
I guess the round part goes up.
Now it has these little holes right here. You can slide the other piece in right
Look,
there.
this is what hooks it together.
Oh, you slide the little rod in there?
Yep.
Okay, it's got little rods. You slide it through to lock them together.
See, and then you can push that into the ground. That's awesome.
Oh. Well, if you put one, like going that way, that would keep it from falling, huh?
Yeah.
We'll just put one sideways, then we'll go from there. Well, it's easy peasy.
Very easy. That's up. This
Yeah.
needs to
Do I need to? This one.
put the things on the bottom.
Oh,
There you
okay.
go. Put it on the bottom. There you go.
Oh, we may be going uphill or downhill, whatever the case is. Oh, there's the gate.
Makes a big enclosure. This would have been perfect when I was selling goats.
There you go. There's another gate. A couple of gates.
Oh. Well, here. There's 3 gates.
I suppose.
Okay, well, we'll put a gate right here then. Okay, I see. I was trying to see how that unhooked, how the gate worked. Go left, go left.
We could have packed these in there a little better.
Well, they did it like that, so there was 2 with each panel.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So if you're not real sure how it's going to come out, you could just take these and lay them out. And then we're going to go back that way.
Okay, here's what I propose. Let's put a gate right here.
Yeah. But you could get them laid out. Then you'd know about where you was at. I went out.
Nope, sorry. I was at the instructions.
And it does come with instructions.
Look, come on.
All right, to open the gate, you just pull up on these and it pops right open. Just pull up on the string. It releases that latch. Shut it, there you go. So here you have it. If you're like going to the lake, or if you needed to keep a dog pinned up while little kids is out playing, whatever the situation is, it's really cool. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.